Now open the emergency stop switch. Now it shows us whether the machine back to zero. Please press OK. Press OK. Then the machine will automatically go in home. To the left, front, and up. After that, it display the image. This kind of image, like football, means the go home successfully. XYZ axis or 0. Now let's set the working piece region. So we move the X, Y axis and Z axis to the working area as you want. For example, we set here, and then Z axis till it touch the material. Then press X to 0, Y to 0, Z to 0. Then you set the working piece coordinator, all 0. Now successfully we set the working piece region. Then we press the Z positive to move up the Z axis.